destruction of our God is equal to the Lord. The multitude of your sacrifices, what